Hello everyone, this is Divya here, and we are a family of 25. Actually, half of our family didn't make it today, but I think they really missed it. It was such a wonderful day here. This is my second visit here in PN Farmhouse. I visited back in 2021, but the effort that they have put in to make it new for again the same visitors, it's really amazing. And the hospitality by the staffs was totally good. Uh, the uh, the rain dance facility provided newly was really good. We enjoyed, and the kids here enjoyed a lot. And it was a kind of a stress buster for all of us. I would suggest people to come here with family and have their whole day of fun. There were like activities where they showed pets like parrots and all that. It was really good to see, and we don't get to see that in a city day life. It was really nice. Thank you, PN Farmhouse team, for making our day wonderful. And the service that you provided was excellent, and the food was amazing too, veg and non-veg. Was a feedback from my entire family. Thank you. We love PN Farmhouse.
Hey everyone, as my cousin said, Divya, this is actually a very awesome place with a very good infrastructure. And especially the staff over here were very much friendly in nature. They were very playful and they gave us very good ideas about this place, the farm animals, and the pets, especially the lovebirds, the parrots. They had so amazing overview over here. This property is situated in Pollachi, which is in a farmhouse, which is around, I think, 12 acres of land, which is constructed into a beautiful place. And we do have facilities like rainwater dance, and we do have bullock cart rides, and maybe horse rides as well. And do visit over here with family. And if you're bachelors or bachelorettes, you do have places to stay over here overnight, where you just need to chill out and relax from a stress-free environment, which is over here. And once again, I would recommend you guys to come over here. PN Farmhouse, Pollachi, very close to Coimbatore, very close to Karur. People over here can enjoy over here. And this is an absolutely lovely place. Thank you, PN Farmhouse, for taking a family and giving a very good hospitality over here. And we really enjoyed the day over here. And thanks a lot. We love PN Farmhouse. And I'll definitely recommend it to my friends who are coming from Bangalore or any other places as well. Thank you.
இங்கு குழுமியிருக்கும் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நாங்கள் கோவையிலிருந்து இங்கு ஒரு சுற்றுலாவாக இங்கு வந்திருக்கிறோம். மிகவும் நன்றாக அமைத்திருக்கிறார்கள். ஒவ்வொரு அமைப்பும் இங்கு சிறப்பாக இருக்கின்றது. அவர்கள் கொடுக்கக்கூடிய உணவும் உபசரிக்கும் விதமும், அவர்கள் எங்களுக்கு அழைத்து செல்லக்கூடிய இடமும் காட்டிய விதமும் அனைத்துமே எங்களுக்கு மிகவும் பிடித்திருந்தது. நாங்கள் மிகவும் ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சியாக அதை அனுபவித்தோம். இன்னும் கோவையில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அனைவருக்கும் இந்த PN ஃபார்ம் சொல்லி அவர்களையும் இங்கே வர வைத்து அவங்களும் இங்கே வந்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணணும்னு நாங்கள் ஆசைப்படுகிறோம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.